Nice day today. This shiny black WR250R going to the trails today. Time to get dirty. My absolute favorite place to ride. Just got the Carnegie SVRA. All right, here we go. Oh, this suspension is awesome. Oh, that's great. Big old uphill. Back is sliding. Nice and muddy. Awesome. Big jump! Oh! Fix the camera. Oh, the mud here is great. Everything is digging. Suspension feels great. I was running with my high beams on. Oh, I just popped the wheelie a little bit. Little whoops. We're gonna keep it in two. Yeah, soak it up. There we go. This is definitely what dual sporting's about. The views, the dirt, the mud here today is pristine, man. Just rained a few days ago, so it's not really dusty, it's just perfect mud. You know, I'm not a ripper, but I am having fun. Good stuff, man. I gotta take a leak too. Do a little wheelie here. Ah, that was weak. Anyways, let's go have some fun. I know where we are. This little 250 is ripping it, man. Yeah, eat some dirt. Let's take this. Yeah. Stand up. Right into the sunset. What's up, birdies? Oh, beautiful. There we go. Somebody found my trail. Whoops. Soaked it up. Ah, I feel like this bike is pulling me. I should be on top of this. Alright, here's that hill climb. Let's take it. Right into the valley and out again. Alright, let's do it. Little whoops here and there. Not bad. That was fun. We started on that side of the hill, trekked up here with those little whoops, went up to this top of the ridge, went down the valley and up, and there she sits. And I'm just getting my day started. Fun as hell. This little 250 WR. Your little underrated dual sport. Let's go have some fun. Do I need a thing, a big bore? I don't know. Shit like this, maybe. But I'd rather have the suspension. Mountain lions. That's fucked up. Watch the rut. Oh man, I almost ate it there. Don't pull so hard on that front brake. Look at those single tracks. I have no idea where I'm going. Some pleasant single track. Oh, got some wood action here. Yeah, the WR getting a bit dirty. That's alright. I have no clue where I am. Hey! Yeah, a little mud here. Oh, look at that shit. Alright, let's do this. Gnarly. That's alright. I think we got it. Little clutch, little front brake. Alright. Edge of the seat. Slow turn. Oh, scrape the grass. You're good. Alright. Little junk. Alright, where are we going here? Tell you what, suspension on this bad boy is awesome. The Go Race suspension on these uphills, also the whoops, little bumps here and there, just soaking it up. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I don't know, if I had a brand new WR250R and I had to start all over again, I'd definitely invest in suspension first. And then consider doing that big bore. The little 250 here has enough power. At least the shit I'm doing right now. Oh man, that was a big one. Oh yeah, slam that. There she is. After a morning of riding, she doesn't look too bad. This Go Race suspension is definitely an upgrade. You can feel it. I mean, this front suspension, and I didn't change the settings, but going through those baby heads, I was hitting a lot of the bigger ones head on, and it was soaking it up. On the whoops, it just felt like it was total control. And some of those jumps, I mean, I didn't feel it flattening out. And also the suspension, maybe it's just me, but this bike is easier to wheelie than my legacy WR250R. You know, the stock engine on the WR250R, I think is definitely adequate for this type of riding. I mean, I'm not doing any hard enduro, but I am having fun on these single tracks and the uphills. And I definitely think this bike is worthy for a place like this. Does need to be cleaned up, but she's now a proper dual sport. Look at that. Still looks pretty. Let's try that again. Ah, fuck.